Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Threads account public. So first things first, you have to simply go to your Google Play Store and then install Threads, or if you have the Threads already, make sure that you're using the latest version of the Threads application. If you see an update button right here, you need to update it one to avoid any problems when you use your thread. So once updated, you can now look for your thread, launch your Threads application here. Make sure that you're logged in to that specific account. Now, in order for you to make Threads account public, what you're going to do is you just have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Click these two lines at the top right corner, and here you have to look for privacy. Tap on privacy. And if you have turned on the private profile, that means your profile is now private. In order for you to set this to public or to make Threads account public, you need to switch this one off or toggle this one off. As you can see, just tap on OK, and then if you go back to your Threads profile, you should see the globe icon right here. That means your account is public. If you can see the lock icon, that means your account is private. So again, just make sure that private profile is off to make your Threads account public. So basically, that's how easy it is. And now, if you have set your Threads account into public, then anyone on Threads can see your post, follow you, and interact without needing approval. So that's how easy it is to make Threads account public. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.